Hey everybody, it's Elementary Mitch, and today's video I have an opportunity for your kids. I am starting a STEM engineering mission mail club. And let me go ahead and tell you why I'm starting this club. I have been a teacher for 32 years, and I have noticed that in most schools, they push science and engineering to the end of the day. They do reading and math in the morning, and that's important. But I just noticed that all STEM related problem solving classes get pushed to the wayside. Science would get pushed to the very end of the day. And I teach, luckily, at my school, a dedicated STEM class. But there are so many schools that I come across where there's no STEM education. And so what I wanted to do is give students out there a chance to have a monthly STEM mission. So let me go ahead and tell you what you're going to receive. Now, normally I would keep this a mystery, but for the first month, I want you to know what you're going to get. So in the mail, addressed to your kid or kids, is going to be a STEM packet. And here's what's going to be inside. I'm excited to let you know about this. The first thing is going to be a mission passport. It basically is going to help your students or your kids track the missions that they accomplish. They're also going to get a mission booklet that details what the mission is. So it's going to show a quick STEM lesson and go through instructions on how to either do the challenge or build the STEM item itself. And there's also going to be a QR code that links to a video that I have made to show them how to build. Now, this first month is going to be a helicopter. So the video is going to show them how to build their helicopter. I've already cut it out, so no scissors is going to be needed. And there might, depending on the age of your kids, there might be a little bit of assistance needed, just depending on, again, their age. And then I'm also going to include in their packet a passport sticker so they can show going month by month that they completed that mission. And they're going to be excited to move on to the next level. Your student will also receive a themed monthly coloring page, maze, and word search. And then for parents, I've also included a Padlet link. And that's basically for you to upload, if you want, a video to show that your student completed the mission. And I think that your kids are going to be excited to just see the different ways that other students or kids have accomplished their STEM building goal, whatever it is. And so that's going to be completely optional if you want to do that. And so month to month, it's going to be $11. Now I'm going to go ahead and give you a code that will take off $3 off your first month. Okay, so it's normally going to be $11, but for you guys, check the description. There's going to be a link, and all you have to do is look for the code to get $3 off the first month. Okay, now you can cancel anytime, but I'm hoping that your kids are going to be so excited to receive their next month's packet that you're going to be so like, we don't even think about canceling. But that's an option if you choose to. So I'm really excited to bring this opportunity just so that your kids can have the fun that my students have of seeing a STEM dedicated mission and just the excitement of completing the mission and just realizing, hey, this is fun and there's learning involved to go with it. So if you have any questions, throw it down in the comments section. I'd love to answer them. And then check the link to sign up for your first month subscription.